Hi! Wow, you're fast! Good morning, internet. It is, what time is it? 8:20 in the morning. And welcome back to the channel. I am now in the tiny town of Rhodes, here in the mountains in South Africa. And today I'm riding to an area in South Africa called the Wild Coast. And this is rural, untouched South Africa. Hello. Hello? Hello? Hey, if you bark, maybe they'll come. Hmm? Excuse me? Hello? Hey. I'll first try the ATM then. And ask there if they know which one of these houses it is. I'm gonna try again for petrol. So the last street. And then last house. Should be this house then. This one. Let's try it. Hello. Hey, sweeties. Don't fight. Don't fight. Hello! I was looking at your dogs. I'm looking for petrol.
Yes.
You sell some?
Yep.
Yes! Yeah, probably around 3 or 4 liters only. I have a small tank, but I ride off-road. I don't know if I will make it otherwise. Yes, great, thank you. Yeah, that should be fine. Perfect. Oh, that was almost 5 then.
It's
How much I pay you?
It's 105 rand for 5 liters.
Okay.
90 rand.
90 rand, perfect. Must have been such a change coming from Durban and then moving here.
Yeah, it was, and it was a very, very cold winter that year. We were really looking at each other.
Ah, yeah.
And
Because you get a lot of snow here in winter, no?
not we did in the early years, but not much recently.
Ah, recently not
Yeah,
anymore.
but you get snow up in the mountains, but
Yeah.
we've only twice have we had snow in the streets.
Oh, okay. Because you have the ski resort close here, yeah?
There's a ski resort up there, but it's closed at the moment. It just
I've heard, yeah.
there's 2 years without snow, and
Oh.
it's not.
Oh, so that's not even related to COVID, or it's just because there's no snow?
No, this is no snow.
Ah.
This is a neat bike.
Thank you. I bought it in Johannesburg.
Yeah,
It's second hand. It's already 7 years old.
really, it's in good
But-
nick.
Except that it's a bit dirty, it's in good state.
Yeah,
think.
good state.
Yeah. Well, thank you very much.
Okay,
I gotta hit the road.
you take care.
I will, you too. Nice to meet you. Bye. Okay. Let's go then. I have a very long day ahead of me. It is about 300 kilometers ride today, but the majority of a large part is unpaved and I think in pretty bad shape, or at least I can't ride very fast, so I think it will be a long day. So amongst the Black South African people there are 4 ethnic divisions: the Sotho, the Nguni, the Venda and the Shangaan-Tsonga. And the Nguni represent 2/3 of the Black South African people. And they can be subdivided into 4 groups again: the Zulu speaking people, the Xhosa speaking people, the Swazi from around Swaziland and the Ndebele people. I'm probably mispronouncing some of these names, I'm doing my best. So there are 11 different official languages spoken in South Africa, and Xhosa, I have to practice more on it, they use that clicking. There are 8 million people speaking that language, and where I'll be staying tonight and for the next couple of days is with a community of Xhosa people. So I'm really looking forward to staying with them and learning more about the way they live. They live in a very rural and untouched part of South Africa. It's supposed to be really beautiful, that's why I think it's called the Wild Coast. And yeah, I'm just really looking forward. Wow, isn't this stunning? It looks so different from the other side of the Drakensberg, right? This landscape. It's just gorgeous. These people in that town, they really live quite remote, to be honest. And there is no signal, there's no 3G. It's actually the first place that I've stayed in South Africa where I didn't have signal. All the other places I also have 3G, usually I even have 4G. The Wi-Fi is generally not so great around South Africa, so for the people that are wondering how I managed to upload my videos, I am just buying data all the time. I spent a lot of money on buying data so I can upload my videos, which are huge in size, usually like 5, 6 or 7 gigabytes for one video. This is the Bell River. Crossing the same river again, I think. Yeah, must be. So now I am going towards Elliott's. I don't expect to see anybody on this road. And this is also going over a pass, I believe, so this should be really nice. It's nicer than the one over there because that immediately leads to the main road. Going this way, I am riding more dirt or gravel. Oh, and it is so beautiful! South Africa is amazing, amazing. And I am only scratching the surface. There's just so much more to see. So I'm riding now down here the valley. You can see how green it is, and there's a river running through, some farms, but I think somewhere I'm gonna go over a pass again. I think somewhere behind those mountains. now passing through a town called Elliot. And I'm just taking a left here and then I ride to Ugi. And then in Ugi I can take a dirt road again, which should be nice. Wow, I'm now actually at the pass. This is almost 1500 meters elevation. I have a feeling from now on all the way to the coast I'm gonna go down and the heat will increase. Actually I thought that this road was going to be unpaved, but it's really nice asphalt. And to be honest, I'm actually quite happy with that because time is simply flying. It's already almost noon. And I still have 135 kilometers to go. And I know for sure that the last bit, probably the last 80, maybe 100 kilometers, is going to be unpaved and probably full of potholes and really bad. So that will take me also another 2 hours, 2.5 hours maybe. London, Umtata. So I am now at the outskirts of a big place called Umtata, and I am taking the bypass here to avoid riding through the city center because that does not have a very good reputation. So I'll avoid that. Just take the bypass here. Oh, some live chicken for sale. And it's still about 40 kilometers, but it is so hot and humid here. Unreal. Hi! Wow, you're fast! Hello! These are all the traditional Xhosa houses. I really like them. And there is the ocean. Oh, look at it. Some kid is calling me. I can't see. Can't see them. See them running? Or are they coming to say hi? Hi! Hello! Hi! Small river crossing. Didn't know about that one. It is no problem for my Savannah. Oh, it's like a small estuary, I think. I think I'm supposed to go in here. Now I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it's down this path. Oh dear. Ooh. This is going to be tricky getting back up again, but hey, worse for later. Very sandy up here. That right there at the end, I think that's it. That's my home for the next few days. If I make it through this sand. Wind. Strong winds. Oh. Sorry cow, didn't mean to scare you. This is the community. I am here. Hello. Hello. Oh, looking very surprised. I am dusty, dirty, sweaty. Savannah is also really filthy. It's super windy here, but I'll show you my home for the next couple of days. I'll be staying here, and so yeah, I'll be staying here for a couple of days, trying to learn a little bit more about the Xhosa community around here, and just see how people live here. I think it is going to be super interesting. There is no cell phone reception, there is no internet, nothing, but I think I'll really enjoy the peace and quiet here. I really think so. So anyway, that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and then I'll see you in the next episode.